1. Freshen up. You're on a big date and have had a dinner rich in garlic. Pop a sprig of parsley or other garnish in your mouth and pucker up. A fresh sprig of parsley, basil, mint, or cilantro. Preparation and use. Place a sprig of any of these leaves in your mouth, chew, and swallow. Yield, 1 application. How it works: all green plants contain chlorophyll, which neutralizes odors. Also, aromatic herbs contain essential oils that freshen breath. 2. Lemon breath lift. Lemon and pomegranate taste and smell fresh. 1 cup 235 milliliters water 2 tablespoons 28 milliliters fresh lemon juice 1 tablespoon 15 milliliters pomegranate juice 1 packet 1 gram stevia or to taste. Preparation and use. Pour the water and pomegranate juice into a glass and stir in the lemon juice. Add the stevia. Drink in the morning after your daily cuppa joe. Yield, 1 serving. How it works: lemon contains essential oils that create the characteristic zesty or citrus scent. It's long been used to reduce unpleasant odors. Both lemon and pomegranate contain flavonoids that help strengthen connective tissues, such as those in the gums. Pomegranate also has a mild antibacterial effect. 3. Citrus fresh breath. The rind tastes bitter at first bite, but chewing it gives your mouth a natural, refreshing zing. 1 organic lemon or orange. Preparation and use. Wash the rind thoroughly and tear off a piece. Chew for a flavorful, mouth-freshening burst. Yield, 1 application. How it works: citric acid will stimulate the salivary glands to create saliva, which is a natural breath freshener. 4. Minty mouth freshening tea. 2 tablespoons 12 grams loose green tea, or 2 tea bags 1 teaspoon 2 grams crushed fresh mint leaves 1 cinnamon stick 2 cups 475 milliliters boiled water. Preparation and use. Add the tea, mint leaves, and cinnamon to the boiled water. Steep for 5 minutes. Remove the tea bags, if using, and strain out the herbs. Sip and enjoy. Yield, 1 large or 2 small servings. How it works: green tea has antibacterial compounds. Cinnamon is antimicrobial and aromatic. The oils in mint fight mouth bacteria that cause halitosis. Lifestyle tip. If you wear dentures, remove them at night and clean them before returning them to your mouth. Removing daily bacterial buildup day from food and drink helps keep your breath fresh. 5. Crunch it. 1 cup 150 grams apple chunks 1 cup 110 grams grated carrot 1 cup 120 grams diced celery 1/2 cup 60 grams dried cranberries 1/2 cup 60 grams crushed walnuts 3 to 5 tablespoons 45 to 75 grams plain non-fat yogurt ground cinnamon. Preparation and use. Mix the apple, carrot, celery, cranberries, and walnuts together in a large bowl. Add the yogurt by the tablespoon 15 grams to moisten the mixture and hold it together slightly. Divide between 2 plates, sprinkle with cinnamon and serve. Yield, 2 servings. How it works: raw, crunchy foods clean the teeth. Apples contain pectin, which helps control food odors. It also promotes saliva, which cleanses breath. Cinnamon is antimicrobial. Yogurt contains the type of bacteria you want in your intestinal tract. Studies show that the active bacteria and cultures in yogurt help reduce odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. 6. Tongue scrape. A coated tongue is a prominent factor behind bad breath. Although you can use a toothbrush, a tongue scraper works better. You can buy one at most pharmacies. In a pinch, use a spoon. What you need: tongue scraper or spoon. Preparation and use. Each morning, gently scrape your tongue. It helps to hold the tip of the tongue with a piece of gauze or a clean cloth so that you can pull it forward to better clean the back of the tongue and reduce the chance of stimulating your gag reflex. Yield, 1 session every morning. How it works: the coating on the tongue contains some mixture of dead tongue cells, bacteria, and fungi that become trapped between the small projections papillae on the tongue's surface. Daily tongue scraping and brushing decrease this material carpeting the tongue and improves mouth odor. Lifestyle tip. Quit smoking to reduce bad breath, which is the least of your problems if you are a smoker. It's a tough habit to kick, but worth the effort. Ask your doctor for information about how to get off tobacco. 7. Peroxide swish. Hydrogen peroxide is a versatile cleansing agent, in the right doses. Be sure to cut it with water before using it. 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters hydrogen peroxide, 2 tablespoons 30 milliliters water. Preparation and use. Mix the hydrogen peroxide and water in a clean glass. Swish in your mouth for 30 seconds and then spit out. Rinse twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Yield, 1 application. How it works: hydrogen peroxide's oxygen content kills the bacteria in your mouth that cause bad breath. 8. Mouthwash in a minute. We love the fresh and natural taste of this mouthwash, and it's alcohol-free, unlike so many off-the-shelf products. Do not swallow it. 1 cup 235 milliliters water, 1 teaspoon 5 grams baking soda, 3 drops peppermint essential oil. Preparation and use. Mix together all the ingredients. Pour into a clean glass jar with a tight-fitting lid, cap, and shake. Use a small amount to rinse your mouth for about 30 seconds. Spit out, do not swallow. Yield, several rinses, make a fresh batch after a few days, or alter the recipe to make a little at a time. How it works: peppermint is antimicrobial. Baking soda changes the pH acid levels in the mouth, creating an anti-odor environment. Lifestyle tip. When nothing else is available, swish fresh, cool water around in your mouth. Water freshens breath and makes you feel better in general. Lifestyle tip 2. Practice good oral health regularly. Brush your teeth after every meal. Be gentle on your gums. Floss at least once a day, preferably twice, before you brush. If you can't brush after a meal, drink water, swish, and spit to remove residual food particles. Replace your toothbrush every 2 to 3 months. Keep up with regular dental checkups, including cleanings. Ask your dentist how often you should come. 9. Yogurt breath blaster. 1 cup 230 grams vanilla yogurt, 1 cup 170 grams sliced strawberries, 1/4 cup 30 grams chopped walnuts, sprigs of mint. Preparation and use. Combine the yogurt, strawberries, and walnuts in a small bowl. Top with mint sprigs and serve. Yield, 1 serving. How it works: studies say that yogurt's active bacteria may help control the mouth bacteria that release malodorous chemicals, such as hydrogen sulfide. In one study, researchers found that eating 6 ounces 170 grams of yogurt a day reduced levels of this gas. 10. Fresh chew. A handful of fennel seeds, cloves, or aniseeds. Preparation and use. Pop your spice of choice into your mouth. Chew the seeds, savoring the release of their fresh and spicy, odor-fighting tastes. Yield, 1 serving. How it works: these spices all have antiseptic qualities that help fight halitosis-causing bacteria and sweeten your breath.